Let's just start small. I'll tell it to open up Visual Studio Code, create a file called fullstackdesk.py, and I wanted to enter code that says hello world, it's full stack desk. Okay, so let's go ahead and send that. Here we see the agent running and it says I'll help you create and write that Python script using Visual Studio Code. Let me break this down into steps. First, let me take a screenshot to see the desktop environment, and I'll click on Visual Studio Code, create the file, and write the content. Let's start. Here's the tool use, computer, the input, action, screenshot. Here it took a screenshot of what we're looking at here. Now the issue is I don't have Visual Studio Code here, so I wonder what it does. So here looks like it's looking for the Visual Studio Code repository. Interesting. This is so cool. So it couldn't find it. So we're going to continue playing around with Claude. So we're going to have it download Visual Studio Code and Cursor. Okay, so we have Visual Studio Code open due to Claude's brilliant installation. As for Cursor, it let me know that there may be issues with the ARM64 architecture of the system. So Cursor doesn't seem to be fully compatible. Now let's go ahead and visit YouTube. So say open Firefox, head over to YouTube, then search, I'm going to say search for the channel full stack desk. So let's see how Claude does with this instruction. So far it has opened up Firefox, which is already amazing to me. Now it's open up the search browser and it is searching YouTube. Now let's see if it searches full stack desk. I'm not sure what's going on here. I think it's trying to sign in as full stack desk. I'm not condoning that, Claude. That is not what I want you to do. Okay, so mentions that I may have maxed out my number of tokens. Okay, so I've been rate limited. Wow, it found me immediately. Okay, sweet. So at this point, we see that you have yet to subscribe. So if you have not subscribed to my channel, please do so. I'd really appreciate it. Okay, so Claude has just opened up my YouTube channel by itself after I prompted it, which is awesome. I'm gonna go ahead and ask Claude to click on the first video. So I asked Claude to click on the first video. Let's see what it does. So here it clicked on the about. I don't think it understands how to click that first video just yet. I think it's trying. Claude is like a little puppy trying to navigate the internet. Okay, so I've been rate limited. So I think I've still been rate limited. So I was actually able to click on the first video. Awesome. So let's see what else it does. Don't stop it, it'll run out of tokens fast. I told it to press play and to tell me what the video is about. Okay, so here Claude has clicked on the video. What did you learn? From what I can see in the video, this is part 3 of a series. Okay, however, I should know that I can't hear the audio or see the full content progression of the video because I'm only able to see screenshots of individual moments. To fully understand what the video is teaching, you would need to watch it with audio, play it through completely. The video appears to be a technical tutorial that is part of a larger series about building AI voice assistants, combining LiveKit, which is a tool for real-time audio video communication, with OpenAI's real-time API. Okay, so let's have it code us something. Let's go. Let's see what Anthropic has built inside of this marvelous tool. Okay, so that's cool. So far it's opened up Visual Studio Code. Wow, it's already dragged the file. That's amazing. Okay, so it's confirming Visual Studio Code. Now it's going to ask, do you trust the authors of the files in this folder? So here, okay, I've been rate limited. So at this point, we'll just wait one more minute. The goal is to see Claude code what we want it to code. Should be awesome. As you can see on the bottom there, we have Visual Studio Code and we have a window open with our subscribe to full stack desk folder. At this point, Claude just left us hanging with this rate limit here. So we're just gonna allow that to pass by and then we'll immediately request it to do it once more. Hopefully I have my history. Claude is running again. I'm off timeout. Sweet. So I have my agent running. Agent Claude to the rescue. Okay, so here, wow, I've been rate limited again. Okay, so I guess you're gonna have to watch the next video for the ability to see Claude in action as far as the coding. I keep getting rate limited here and it's gonna drag the video a little longer. So far, pretty cool. And And that's Claude for you. I'm going to go ahead and answer any questions that you guys have. I will be working with it quite a bit from the time that you see this actual video. So if you guys do have any questions, join the Discord or leave a comment below. Talk to you all. Please subscribe. Love you.